some of the relationships are not healthy at all, because you can date a person and we are starting going down. You understand it? We are starting going down. Some people, they are glowing. Because some people, they are saying you can glow, but some, they don't glow when they are dating someone. You understand it? You are start going down, and especially that person is stressing you each and every time. You don't even glow. You understand? Because guys, when you glow, especially women, a woman, when you treat a woman very well, you treat your woman very well. You understand? You are maintaining your woman can glow. You understand? But when you don't maintain that woman, you don't take care of your woman, she can't glow. And especially when you are cheating on her or something, you are starting going down because of that person. That's why sometimes those people, guys, it's better to leave that relationship, unhealthy relationships, because you are starting going down. You understand? But some people, when they are dating someone, they start going down. But when you are not in a relationship with anyone, you are glowing. And guys, some people, maybe when they are dating someone, they are glowing.